Okay, now it's cleaned. Wipe it with a paper towel. Okay, it's been cleaned now. Next, let's install it back. Okay, the installation is complete. Next, I start the car. See if it can start. If successful, guys, remember to give me a like. Please support me. If you follow me, if you have any car questions, you can ask me. Let's go. Apply the brakes. Start up. Did you see it? One success. Try again. Success again. The power is very strong. The problem has been completely solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.